friends! Today we learn how to draw and color Peppa Pig and family. So let's start step by step. Step 1.
I'm Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Step 2.
I'm Peppa Pig.
Step 3.
Peppa Pig.
Step 4.
I'm Peppa Pig.
Step 5. Step 6.
Peppa Pig.
Step 7. Step 8.
I'm Peppa Pig.
Step 9. Step 10.
Peppa Pig. I'm Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Step 11. Step 12.
I'm Peppa Pig.
Step 13. Step 14. Step 15.
I'm Peppa Pig.
Step 16.
Peppa Pig.
Wow! Now let's start color the Peppa Pig and family.
I'm Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. 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 I'm Peppa Pig.
Hey friends! Hope you like the video. Please subscribe our channel for more daily fun videos day.